अच्छा, एथोलॉजी के बारे में हम पढ़ रहे थे, तो एथोलॉजी के बारे में मैं बताता चलूँ. एथोलॉजी इज़ बेसिकली द vocabulary word and the field of study in which we study about the animal behavior. Then comes what is behavior. Behavior is basically the action being performed by the individual animal or the person in response to the stimulus. And then there, what is stimulus? Stimulus is basically something that elicit a response, that evoke the response. It is being sensed by our five senses: sight, touch, smell, taste, and sound. I can taste, that is an external stimulus. That I can hear, that is an external stimulus. I can smell, that is an external stimulus. I can see, that is an external stimulus, and I can feel, that is also a external or internal stimulus. What is external stimulus? External stimulus is something which is from outside the animal body. Any stimulus which is outside the animal body is known as external stimulus. For, say for example, sound, say for example sight, say for example smell. Say for example presence of another animal. ठीक है, तो ये सारा जो है वो इसमें एक्सटर्नल स्टिमुलस है. इंटरनल स्टिमुलस में हमारे पास आ जाता है समथिंग विच इज़ स्टिमुलाइंग द इंडिविजुअल और द एनिमल फ्रॉम इनसाइड द बॉडी. से इट कैन बी द फीलिंग ऑफ हंगर, फीलिंग ऑफ फटीग, फीलिंग ऑफ कोल्ड, एंड द चेंजेस इन द हार्मोन्स. Then comes another vocabulary word which is anthropomorphism. Anthropomorphism is basically attributing the human emotions to the animals' emotions. A human emotion like the smiling face, इसको attribute करना animal में कि वो smiling face show कर रहा है इसके साथ. बट वी नीड टू बी केयरफुल अबाउट डिस्क्राइबिंग ह्यूमन इमोशंस टू द एनिमल्स, एज इन सम डिजीज़ लाइक इन केस ऑफ rabies, the dog especially show the smiling face or the aggressive face. So be careful to avoid any inconvenience with these animals. Then we have the types of behavior. In types of behavior, we have two main and basic classification: genetic and innate. Is the same thing. And then we have the learning behavior. In genetic behavior, the foraging, parental care, courtship, reproductive behavior, offensive, defensive behavior, territorial behavior. Then we have migratory behavior, social behavior, imprinting behavior. This imprinting